How can I build my own website with Wix? I get this question quite a lot here on my channel, so I made this video to show you how. We will start by signing up for Wix. You will find the link down below. Then I will show you how to pick the right template for your website project and how to edit the text, upload your own images or videos. And finally, we are going to publish your website under your own custom domain so people can find you on Google. And now let's get started and build your website. But before we do this, really important, you will find the link to Wix down in the video description. It's a partner link and it lets you sign up for free. And I will also show you how you can get 50% off using this link. So just go ahead and click on the link and it will bring you to this page. And here you can just type in your email address and click on Start Now. And once you have signed up, you will land on this screen, and here you are greeted by the AI of Wix, and it will help us to build our site so we can start chatting with it. And first we have to tell her what our site is about. So for example, I'm a physical therapist and I need a website, and then just go ahead. What's the name of our site? So I am Julian Weber, but if you have a business name, feel free to enter this one. And now you just have to go on and just type in what your services are about. I will just go ahead and do that. I don't want to bore you with the details, and we will see us at the end of the survey. So now I am done. It asked me a couple of questions and I answered them, but you can also just always end the chat and click continue. But what happened now, the Wix AI helped me to set up my site. So for example, now the site is called Julian Weber, Healing Your Back, Restoring Your Life. So it already has a slogan for me. The site type is physical therapist, and it added some apps for me, like the booking app, the blog app, forms and chat. So I think that's pretty cool because it saves us some time, and then we can just go ahead and click go to the dashboard. And now Wix is setting up our site for us. It might take a few seconds. And now we will land on this page. This is the dashboard of Wix. It's the admin area. So later on, you can see how many people are on your site. Down here on analytics, you can also start marketing campaigns, or you have your inbox here. So when people send you a message via the contact form on your page, you will see it here. And you can see also how many sales you have and the booking calendar, how many people booked an appointment with you. So that's pretty cool. We will get back to this in a minute, but first let's start connecting our own domain. And here it already filled out some informations for us. So julianweber.com, this is the domain I want. And then I click on let's go. And now Wix is checking for me if the domain is still available. But unfortunately the domain is taken, which kind of makes sense because I already own it. This is my own website, julianweber.com, and I have also built it on Wix. So let's go back. So if your domain is also taken, Wix will give you some alternatives like julianweber.org, julianweber.biz, .shop, .store. And if one of these options is good for you, then you can just get it, or you just get creative and type in different names up here. So I will just take julianweber.biz and then click on get it and then click on continue. And now you have the option to upgrade. And as I told you earlier, if you use my link down here in the video description, chances are that you see a 50% discount. And today is the last day. I signed up like 3 days ago. So usually you see it for the first 3 days, and it will give you 50% off the core plan, business plan, or business elite. And I think for most of you, the core plan is the right plan because the light plan only offers you 2 GB of storage, which is kind of small if you want to upload videos. So here you have 50 GB of storage, you have a basic marketing suite, you will get the domain for free for 1 year, and most importantly, you can accept payments, and you have basic e-commerce functionality, so you can sell your services or products on your website, which I think is pretty cool. You probably don't need the business or business elite plan because you can always upgrade later, and this already has enough features for you at the beginning. So feel free, if you want to save your domain right now, you can just click select, and then you can upgrade with Visa or MasterCard or PayPal, and you always have the 14-day money back guarantee. So if you're not satisfied, you can always get your money back. But if you don't want to do this now, you can also do it at the end of this tutorial. So I will just go back to the dashboard. Just click here on setup and it will bring you back to the to-do list. So if you want to connect your domain right now, if you have the idea, just go ahead and do this. But for those of you who just want to see how the website will look like and how the editor works, we can just skip these steps and directly go to design your website and click here. And it will bring you to this page. And here you are presented with a small dilemma because you can either choose a template or you can ask the AI to help you to design your site. And this looks tempting, but I have tried this for you guys. And I do have to say, I don't really like the result because the page, I don't know, the text is a little bit small, the pictures are kind of off. And yeah, I don't like the whole look and feel of the site. And this picture is also AI, so the finger is missing, the keyboard is upside down. So it doesn't really make sense here. And I'm not a big fan of the AI right now, but probably this gets better in a few months. But for now, I would highly recommend you to get a template from Wix because they have over 1,000 different design templates you can pick from. So just go ahead and click on pick a template. And then it will bring you to this page, and here you have a drop down for all the different templates, for example, for business, for health and wellness, for beauty and hair, for online stores, or for creative persons like photography, design, or musicians. And as said before, I want to be a physical therapist, and therefore I go on health and wellness. And let's check out the templates here. I do like this template a lot, so I can go ahead and click on view. And here in the preview, you can check out the template. You can click on every button and go through all the pages. And if you like it, you can just click on edit site. And for now, I'm good with this template, but please take your time and have a look at all the templates because you want the template as close to the final result as possible, because then you don't have to change much about it inside the editor. But once you find one, just click on edit this site and it will bring you to the editor of Wix. And now we landed in the editor of Wix. And on the left side, you have your control panel where you can add elements or you can add sections or new pages and change the design. And up here, you have a top bar where you can switch between the pages, and you can also change the view between desktop and mobile. And let's go ahead and click on zoom in and take a look at our website. So this is the template we picked, and now we can go ahead and upload our own pictures, change the name and the text, and add new elements to the page. So the name is already here, Julian Weber, and I am a physical therapist. And changing the text is quite easy. So if you know Word or PowerPoint, you will get along. So here you can change the style, the font size, and you can make it bold or italic and change the color of the text if you want so. And you would go ahead and do this with the headline, the subheadline, and of course this text. And the best part about Wix, it's a so-called drag and drop editor. So we can take every element here on the website and drag it around. But make sure that you don't cross this border here, because everything here on the left in the gray area, this probably won't show on a tablet or on a mobile screen. So always make sure that the content of your site is between these two borders so people can read it when they are on the mobile phone, for example. And if you want to add a new element, you can just click on add elements and it will give you pretty much every element you can think of. So for example, here you have the text elements, headlines and subheadlines and paragraphs, and you can add your own images. Or in this case, maybe we just want to add a button. Then we can just take this button here and drag it onto the canvas here and maybe make it a little bit bigger, and then click on settings and give it a new text. For example, contact me. And with buttons, it's really important that they link somewhere, because that's why we want to have them. And here you have different link options. You can pick a page on your website, and when someone clicks on it, they will land on your booking calendar. Or you can choose an external web address, for example, your YouTube channel or your Instagram account. Or you can also have an ebook, like a document, and when people click on the button, they can download the document, and many more, but we will get to those in a minute. So for now, let's click on page and choose a page on our site, and then click done. And then we can see that the button is linking to this page. We can later on click here on preview and then click on the button, and it will bring us to the booking calendar. So this was the first part, changing the text. And now we also want to change the image. Therefore, just click on the image, then on change background. And here on image, you can just upload your own images. And Wix has a database of different images, which you can see down here, media from Wix, or they also connected Unsplash, which is also a free stock photo database, and you can find many more pictures here. But I think most of you might have a portrait of themselves, which they want on their website. Therefore, you can click on upload media and then upload from your computer. And then I just pick my picture and upload it to my site. And then I can just select it and click on change background. And now it's uploading my own picture to my site. So now we have already changed the picture, the text, and we know how to add buttons. And what I don't like about the template, the text is very small, so I think it's hard for people with glasses to read this. So therefore I want to go on site design and change the appearance of the text. And I think it's because we use a light font, and light fonts are always hard to read on mobile and tablet. So therefore I will just click on Futura instead of Futura Light, and you can see that the text is getting a little bit more bold. And now let's zoom in again, and then we can just scroll down. And here is the second section, and you would just go ahead and type in your text and edit the paragraph here. And I just want to show you now how you can add a video. Therefore I select the text and click backspace, then it will get deleted. Same with this line element and the text. And then I can go on the add elements and find the video here, and then choose the YouTube video and drag it onto the website and put it in between those two bars here as we seen before. And now I can just click on change video, and then here I have the URL of the video, and I will just take the URL of my video here, and then I can just put it in here, and now you can see that the video is on the site. And by the way, this is my 4-hour full course on Wix, so if you have more questions after this video, just go ahead, find my 4 hours website tutorial from Wix. I pretty much answer all the questions there are about Wix. But for now I'm good with this video here, and now you already know how to add videos, text, buttons and pictures, and this is pretty much every element you need to build a proper website. So we've come a long way already, and now we just want to add one more new section. So therefore we can just click here on in between those two sections and click on add a section. And adding a section, you can either do this with AI, or you can just add your elements by yourself. But I still like the templates for sections the most, so I can just click here. Wix will show you different templates for sections. So for example, a contact section with a map and a contact form, or we can add our own theme here. So you can add a theme section, and I will just go ahead and do this. So I click on it, and it will add a theme section to my site. And now you can just go ahead and upload the images of your team members here. Just upload them here, and then you can just type in the names, the description of them, and down here you can link their social channels. For example, if they have Facebook and LinkedIn, you can delete Twitter, and then you can just type in the URL of their Facebook handle, click done, and it will automatically link everyone on your page to their Facebook page if you want that. And yeah, this is how you add a new section. Let's zoom out for a moment. We already have the section up here. We have the about section with a video, and we have our team section. And down here we have a contact section. But to be honest, I like to have my own contact page. So let's learn how we can add another site to our website. Therefore, you have the page and menu item here. You can click on it, and it will open up the site menu, which you can see here. And here you have either a page or a so-called anchor. And an anchor is just a link to a section of your site. So for example, if you click on services here, it will bring you to this section. And if you click on contact, it will bring you down here. But I don't use the contact section here. I mean, it can be on the homepage, but I like to have my own contact site. So I will just hide this from the menu. And I don't have a podcast now, so I also will hide this from the menu. And my approach also, I will just hide it. And the section up here, the menu, is way more organized. We have like this shopping cart item here, and you can just move it here because we add the booking section before. That's why it's in here. We will come to this in a minute. And I want to add my own page, so I want to add a contact page. Therefore, I can just click on add a new page down here, and then Wix will give you also different templates for different pages. And let's go on contact, and here you have the different contact sections you can use. I like this one a lot, so I can just click on add. And then Wix is going ahead and adding the contact page to my site. And now the contacts page is added, and let's go ahead and see what we can do here. And here you have Wix forms, and you can add new fields like the phone number and make them required. And you have some form settings where you can give it a name. So just play around with it. It's very self-explanatory, and you can just go ahead and do this. But I want to show you something more interesting. For now, let's go ahead down here. You can see the Google Maps here, and here you can just enter your locations. For example, now we are in San Francisco, but we can also go to Los Angeles. Just type in your exact address, hit enter, and then it will bring you to Los Angeles. And you can also click on design, because I don't like this design here. People are used to kind of this design from Google Maps. So here you can choose different designs of your map. but I think this is the most common one. So I can just select it, and I want to increase the size of the map a little bit, so I can just stretch it a little bit so people can really see where our office is in, for example, Los Angeles. And of course, you would type in your opening hours and your address here. So this is really nice. We already have now a homepage and a contact page. And you would just go ahead and add new pages, for example, your service pages or your About Us pages or your booking pages. And speaking about the booking, Wix has different apps for different functionalities. So this is just the editor for your page, and you can add pictures, texts, buttons, and videos. But if you want to add more functions to your website, you have the App Store here. So let's click on Add Apps. And then we can scroll down to the section where we have the Wix Business Solutions and click on View All. And here you can see all apps from Wix. So for example, if you want to add an online store, then you would use this Wix Stores app, and it's always free to install. So as you can see, all the apps are for free. And this is really amazing because in the price of one website, we get all these apps. And we already installed the Wix Booking app. So you can just go ahead and click on it and open it. And now you can see the different services on our page here. And if you're now a physical therapist, for example, you can add a new service and it will open up the dashboard again. And here we can select either different services or we can add new services from scratch. And this is very basic. You just give it a name, upload a picture, a tagline, a description, and how long the service takes, and of course a fixed price. And then people can book it on your site. So this is very straightforward. And just add your services and they will be displayed here. And the cool part about Wix, you don't have to then create all sites for the service, because here when you go on pages and on bookings, then you see you have a booking online page, you have a booking calendar, so people can select when they want the service from you, and you have a booking form where they can type in their first name, last name, phone number, and they can also pay for it on the cart page. And at the very end, they have a thank you page, as you know it from online stores, so they will see what kind of service they booked and they see their invoice here. But this was just the example of the service offerings, but it works pretty much the same with every app. So just play around with this. This was the reason why I built my own website with Wix, because I think it's pretty cool. I'm selling my own online course. I have my own chat window, so when people want to contact me, they can just chat with me. And yeah, I really like this about Wix, that they're giving it you for free inside the plan of Wix. And now, speaking of the plan of Wix, we can just go back here on the homepage. And you would now go ahead and just make sure that you have every section on the page, that everything is written correctly, that every button is linking somewhere. And you can also switch to the mobile view of the page and see if everything looks good on mobile. And I do like this on mobile. Maybe up here, the shopping bag needs to be here. And it's also just a drag and drop editor, as you can see. So just make sure every page looks great on mobile. And you can also increase text or decrease the size of the text. And yeah, just go ahead and make sure it also looks good on mobile and on desktop, of course. And you can also go ahead and click on preview, and it will give you a preview of the page where you can click the buttons. And once you've made sure that everything is correct, we want to publish the page. And therefore we can just click on publish, and Wix will give us our own dummy domain. So we can click on view site, and the page is live. You can take this URL and copy paste it and send it to someone. They will see it. But of course, there's the Wix branding up here, and it's not your own domain. And we want to change that. And therefore we just go back to the editor and click on connect your own domain. This will open up the dashboard. And here we can just type in again, for example, julianweber-1.com is still available. Then click on get it, continue. And we are back on the pricing page. And let's take the core plan for now, because here we get the 50% off. Select it. And now we want to take it for 2 years because we saved the most. And next you can pay with PayPal or credit card. And after you have paid, the domain will be automatically connected to your site, and your site will be live under your own domain. And as said earlier, you have your 14-day money-back guarantee down here. So just go ahead and do this. If you just watched the tutorial till this point and you haven't signed up yet, remember you will find the link for Wix down in the video description here. You will support my channel if you use it. So thank you a lot. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment. And if you're down there, also give it a thumbs up if you liked the video. And feel free now to go ahead, click on the link, and I wish you all the best with your own website. Wix is a really cool website builder. I can tell you that, because I'm using it for like over 6 years now, and I'm still very, very happy with all the functionalities